Alright, so moving on to the RAM installation. All you have to do, obviously bring out your RAM, find the right page in your motherboard manual, and right down here. So if you have 2 sticks of RAM, you're going to want to look at the second picture. You will put one in A2 and you'll put the other in B2. If you just look at your manual for your motherboard, it'll tell you exactly where to put things at. So you shouldn't have any issues at all. A1 is this, A2 is this, B1 is this one, B2 is this one. So like I said, if it is A2 and B2, for me, for example, it is, I would simply just press that up. So this is important. You want to make sure that this little gap in the middle lines up with these on the DIMM slots. So for me, it would go like this. Here's a picture for you guys at the end. This is what it will look like after you guys are done, especially if you have 2 sticks of RAM. If you were to have 4 sticks, you would just put all of them in. It doesn't matter on the order because there won't be an order. Now, with all of that being said, if you'd like to join our Discord, we have one free for anybody to join. It's in the description down below. If you have any comments, questions, concerns, leave it in the comment section or ask it in the Discord. Either one works. We'll be glad to help you guys out. Stay tuned for more computer advice and videos. If you are especially new, this is a good beginner series for you guys. So have a good night or day. See ya.